Okay, let's look at number 3 here. Here's our NAS, 10, 8, and 2. So between these two elements, we are going to share 2 electrons, okay, with a single bond. This is called a single bond when you have one line, single bond. Okay, so then we've got to pick a central atom. So if you will go back to here, what did we find out? Hydrogen is never the central atom. So we're going to consider fluorine our central atom here. And if we're going to follow our numbers here, we've got 2 shared electrons between these 2 atoms, but we need a total of 8. So who's unhappy? So let's remember, hydrogen only needs 2 to be happy, and he's got his 2. So who's unhappy? It's Mr. Fluorine over here. So he needs 8. So he's going to get the unshared pairs of electrons. Okay? So here we have 3 unshared pair and a shared pair. That's how we're going to determine shared versus unshared. All right, so there's our final Lewis diagram. And then here we're going to do shared versus unshared. So how many electron pairs are shared? So I've got 2 shared pairs, or 1 shared pair, sorry. 1 shared pair of electrons. And how many are unshared? Again, talking about pairs, so I'm going to group those together. So I've got 3 unshared pairs of electrons on that one. Let's go back up here, though, to this boron trichloride. So again, we're only looking at the central atom, which is boron. So how many shared pairs of electrons does boron have? He has 3 shared pairs, and how many are unshared around him? 0. So he's what we call a 3-0, and then this hydrofluoric acid is a 1-3. So you're going to count up shared versus unshared pairs too after you draw your Lewis structure. Okay, so if you have any questions about that, let me know. And in the next video, we're going to talk about double and triple bonding.